Hi folks, how's everybody today? Well, guess what? We've got rain again. It's cloudy, it's raining, and Linda does not like not seeing sunshine. Makes her sad, but she'll be okay because we'll have sunshine before long. Come on over, Linda. She's trying to be camera
Good morning,
shy.
everybody. Hey, I gotta take my glasses off.
Why?
I don't like glasses. I can't see, but I don't like glasses.
I keep trying to tell her if she needs to wear glasses, just wear them. Nobody really pays any attention except her. Anyway, we are going to, or Linda is anyways, going to make a sweet potato pie. I may assist her or some, we shall see. I know I'll be tasting, but anyway, here we go with her recipe of a sweet potato pie. So I'm going to turn it over to her now.
Okay. This is a pie that we make a lot for Thanksgiving or Christmas, and we like it. Don't know about anybody else in the family, but we eat it. Well, let me take that back. Our great grandson Carlson, his first Christmas, he was what, 7, 8 months old?
Okay.
Yeah, probably. Anyway, we gave him a little bit of sweet potato, and oh my gosh, that child ate and ate and ate. We were so afraid he was going to be sick. He loved sweet potato. So we'll call this Colson's sweet potato pie. Oh, by the way, if you saw yesterday's video, we made a chocolate pie for Cody. Cody came by after work and picked it up, and they thoroughly enjoyed it. And Colson was there, so I'm sure he tasted chocolate pie last night. Okay, so what we've done this morning, we got 4 sweet potatoes. And so instead of cooking them in the microwave, I cooked them in the oven at 350 for about an hour. Wasn't it about an hour?
Okay.
And so they're cool now, and we're just going to take the skins off of them, the jackets, so that we can get to the meat of the potato. And so that is that. Okay. Then the recipe calls for eggs, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, not condensed milk, it's evaporated milk. Okay, then we've got our spices, nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla, and butter, sugar. You can't see it. Okay, today because this pie is for us, we're using Splenda, so that way Bert can have it. And we've got some all-purpose flour. And instead of using a regular pie crust, we have these little mini pie crusts. It's right here. Pillsbury puts it out. There are 14 mini pie crusts, and there's 14 of them in here. So we're only doing 12 in a muffin pan. So we're going to see how they work out. We've never used them before, so this is a new one. So anyway, I've got some butter on the stove back there melting. So I think that's it. So, are you ready to get the jackets off? We call them jackets on the sweet potatoes.
We're going to take the covering off the sweet taters, and then we'll come back and see you guys in a few, okay?
So be right back.
Hold on.
Okay, we're back.
Okay, we've got the jackets off the sweet potatoes, as Linda says. I always call them peelings, but hey, we go with what she says.
Well, see, that's something that Mama used to call it, the jackets.
Come over
It's
here
not
so you can see.
It's the jackets. Oh, I put my glasses on so I see. But it's the jacket. It's like a potato, and it's covered in a jacket, and that's what she used to call it. So.
But hey, we always call it peeling where we from. Now we got the sweet potatoes peeled or unjacketed, however you want to call it. And we've got this new thing from, I think it's from QVC.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, it's just like an up and down motion that supposedly is going to mash up the potatoes. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I think really she just wants muscles to do this.
Doing a good job.
It's doing a good job cleaning, but I thought it's supposed to turn more, no?
It's supposed to go up and down.
Oh, I'm not.
Hey,
Hey, both of them
muscles.
ain't pressing hard enough. Now we're going. Okay. Good job.
First thing he's learned in the kitchen today.
That's right. We slow, but we do figure it out sooner or later.
Oh, God.
Hey, like I told you guys a long time ago, she's a cook. I'm just the apprentice, okay?
All right, so you ready for the rest of the ingredients? Oh, I'm going to put the recipe underneath the video, so it'll be there for you.
All right, I think we've got the sweet potatoes pretty good and mashed.
Okay, so we're going to add in a stick of butter.
So I'm gonna just kind of keep.
You can use unsalted or salted. It doesn't matter. I'm not really even sure which one I picked up this morning.
As she puts these ingredients in, I'm gonna just kind of keep blending here. And we're gonna have a concoction here of sweet potato pie very soon.
Okay, so we've got 2 eggs, and I have broken them up. Don't scramble, just break them up. They're going in. Okay. Let me know when you're ready. You want that thing?
What? No, I got this is better, I think.
Okay. So how's everybody? We're
This
doing
is
good.
keeping- I think this is gonna blend it better than that will.
We would love
For
to
me.
see some sunshine.
All right, go to me.
Okay, now this is 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, not condensed milk. It's evaporated milk. That's gonna make it creamy.
And as you see, when we do this, as she adds ingredients, the consistency definitely changes up. The coloration is changing also.
Okay, it calls for 1.5 cups of sugar, which is what I use back Thanksgiving and Christmas. But, and we use sugar because we had guests coming over. So today we're using Splenda, and to me Splenda is sweeter than sugar, so we're cutting it back to 1 cup, or you want 3/4 cup.
3/4 be plenty.
Okay, we're gonna go 3/4. Okay, so that's 1/4. That's 1/2. And this is going to be 3/4.
Now you can adjust your sweetness to whatever your palate is. If you're diabetic, you have to very much watch your sugar content. But by doing it like this, at least we don't feel as guilty.
Well, we're trying. But a lot of pies that I made for Christmas, I can't even eat. I can't have chocolate. Can't have lemon or lime because of the acid in it. So I eat sweet potatoes.
Hey, one thing about using this for blending it, at least it's not nearly as noisy as a commercial or an electrical blender. The electrical blender, we couldn't even talk to you guys, but this we can talk. Okay.
Okay, it calls for 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. There's 1 and 2. Okay.
And I'm assuming the flour is just kind of like binding it a
It
little
is.
bit.
It does. And now we're down to our seasonings.
It helps to thicken it also. I'm going to just wait and let her put her seasonings in.
Okay, we're going to use 1/2 teaspoon
Excuse me,
of
folks.
cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, unless you want more. And we're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of Nutmeg.
See, I really like the nutmeg, but she's not a big component of nutmeg.
Yeah, it's a little bit too strong.
It's strong for her, but to me, I enjoy it. But anyways, we go whatever the lady wishes.
Did y'all hear that? Okay, it's a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay.
Hey, Mama's happy, everybody's happy.
It only took him 38 years to figure that out. All
It's
right.
still a work in progress, folks. Don't let her kid you.
And we need 1½ teaspoons of
Vanilla
vanilla.
flavoring.
This is the half.
Just do it another slice more than you have it.
Yeah. I got a teaspoon here. There we go. Wow. And we got an empty bottle now. Okay.
Guys, you need to have, this needs to be smell-o-vision. It sure smells good. Ooh, the spices.
Okay. And that's all that you put in there. Mix it up real good and put it in these little pie shells. Put it in the oven at, let me see, how much did I do? I think it's 350, and it's got 1 hour and 15 minutes because the potatoes are so dense and thick, it takes a little bit longer for them to cook. Smells good though.
It does smell good. It smells really good.
Let me get this, let me get this stuff out of the way, and we'll get the pie shell over here. And the reason I like using this thing is because you can just pour it into your pie shells. But, I don't know, since we've got, these are smaller, I don't know, we'll have to check. We'll let it go for about, I'm thinking,
45 minutes.
45 minutes and double check, make sure that it's not cooking too fast or not fast enough. So, okay, Bart, how we
Okay,
doing?
I think it's blended fine.
Okay, let me get that out of your way. Okay, so all you gotta do is pour it in there unless you want to stir it up to make sure everything's.
You can stir it if you like.
Looks like Thanksgiving, doesn't it?
Smells like Thanksgiving all the way too.
Let's see, we
Good old
got
sweet potato pies are
Mhm.
hard to beat.
Easter coming up. So what you cooking?
What am I cooking?
Uh-huh.
She's put it on me.
Oh, he's cooking Easter.
We're gonna cook a ham for sure. I don't know what else. We'll have some sides with it.
Oh, definitely.
Anyway, are
The
you ready to
kid-
pour it?
Yeah, the kids
Or
like.
you wanna?
Go ahead. Can you see them? The kids like they love cabbage. Can you believe that? And string beans and green potatoes, deviled eggs, definitely.
Almost went over on that one.
Ooh, wow. Better back it off a little more. Ooh.
I know it's.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta stop before it gets full.
See, I got an armchair quarterback here, guys.
So Bert had a little taste of the chocolate pie yesterday that we made. So what did you think about it, Bert?
Oh, it was very good.
I know we cut back on the cocoa.
Is that too much?
No, the cocoa.
Or too little?
Yeah, let's see. It's fine. We cut back on the cocoa yesterday, so was that chocolatey enough?
So we got a lot of extra.
That's good. I got more pie shells.
Okay, well, we may have enough here for another pie. I don't know. We're gonna go with this now into the oven, and we'll be back after it is completed. You guys hang in there, take care, and we'll be back soon. Okay, guys, we're back, and we've got these sweet potato mini muffins are done. And Linda's showing you the two that we took out, And now we're going to do a taste test, but we know that they're pretty hot because they haven't been out of the oven but just a few minutes.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
So we're going to be very, very careful.
And we cooked them on
Come over
350. Okay. We cooked them on 350 for about 30 minutes, I think. And we had enough mixture to make 2 small ramekins full. And they're still in the oven.
Well, I think these probably, I'm thinking 35 to 40 minutes, but
Okay.
she said that I don't know how long. You just have to keep checking them, and different ovens are going to do different for you. But after 30 minutes, I definitely will be checking them, and just be sure that they're not. You don't want them burnt.
But
They look really good. Linda's going to taste one here,
Oh my, look at that.
and they definitely are brittle
They're very flaky.
or flaky. Yeah.
Ooh. And very hot.
Okay, while she's burning her tongue, I'm
my
gonna try
gosh.
one of the same.
Oh my, that's delicious. It is
I'm gonna
hot,
try one, but I'm gonna blow it a little bit. I'm gonna wave it around in the air and
You can see the steam.
let it
coming off
fly and let it
of it. The steam's coming
just
off.
let it cool down a little bit. I think her mouth may be more. Well, my mouth may be more tender than hers. Even I'm not sure. Anyways, here we go. We're gonna try it.
It's hot.
It's very, very good.
Now,
You can taste the cinnamon in it. You can taste a hint of nutmeg in it. And since we've got Splenda in it, it's something I can eat too. Ooh.
if you want to, you can put some whipped cream on it. Some what do you call this stuff?
Whipped topping,
Cool Whip stuffy, and put it right on top, and it will be delicious. Gosh, that's good. We got a lot of little.
You
little
guys
pies.
gotta try a sweet potato recipe here because it is very, very good.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're not diabetic, feel free to use like a cup of sugar in it. But the Splenda at 3/4 cups is plenty sweet and really tasty. All right, well, that's anything you want to add, Linda?
Don't forget to subscribe, share, thumbs up for us, and join our family. And as our saying is, God loves you.
And so do we. And y'all have a great, wonderful rest of the day. And we'll be talking to you later and have some more recipes from In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda.
Bye.
Be sure to check us out. Bye-bye.
Bye.